Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm doing another Meta glasses video for the channel. I'm in the Malibu area. I'm not near the coast. I'm actually further inland in the Santa Monica Mountains, and I wanted to take some shots with Meta glasses on some of the winding roads. They just recently opened up one of the roads here in the mountains that is notorious for having accidents, and they closed it for about 8 years, and they just recently opened it back up. So I'm gonna take an easy drive. I know there's probably a lot of cops on the road, and you know, I don't want to, I mean, it would make for good content if I got pulled over, but I'm not really in the mood to pay a ticket, so I'm just gonna kind of take it easy. Alright, so I just got some flashes. That guy that just passed me flashed me, letting me know that there's cops up here, so I've got to be really careful. Although it'd make really good content for the channel, me getting pulled over, put it on social media, but I don't feel like paying a speeding ticket, so. So basically not leaving second gear. I've got to go really slow because I have a feeling there's a cop coming up, a cop hiding somewhere up here. The thing about this road, and I forgot about this, I haven't driven up here in so long, is that it increases in elevation very quickly. Like many other roads here in the mountains. So as you get higher and the faster you're going, you have these canyons off to the sides, and that can cause problems if you slide off the road. So up. See? So I don't know, does that mean it's safe? Can I speed it up a little bit? Those guys are going pretty fast. I don't know. I guess it's better to be safe than sorry. Another thing is that the road is a little slick, a little, not slick, but I guess wet in certain parts. And my tires are not the greatest, so. See if I can give you guys a shot. The mountains over there. Slow down. All right. So the road that we're on, or that I'm on right now, is another section of the road from my last Meta glasses video. See, there's a cop there. People just kind of hanging out. I'll pull over.